3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, fellas, so welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we're gonna do a little different format than usual. We're just gonna start out with a nice drive. I've reviewed this vehicle, not this specific one, but just the S5, I don't know how many times. I mean, I have so many video reviews of this car, but I decided to make another ASMR after work video, you know, just your typical commute on the way back from work. So let's fire her up. Yeah, and let's go take a nice drive in this S5. Today's a very warm but enjoyable day. There is some traffic here and there, but that's not a problem. Try to do some 0 to 60 runs too if we have space. I will attach a couple of links to my S5 reviews so you can go watch them and see my overall feedback about this car. I actually had this car myself. It was a 2021 S5. The nice and cool part about these S5s is how torquey they are. Just so easy to drive, excellent handling, very nimble. Such cool cars. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, so we did 0 to 60 in 5.51. 0 to 62 in 5.74, and the 1/8 mile we didn't hit. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alrighty, 0 to 60 again, 5.49. 0 to 62, 5.74, and the 40 to 80, 5.05, and the 1/8 mile, 8.92 at 83.3. What is this dirt bike rally here today? Jeez. All right, let's do one more run and wrap up the performance aspect of the testing. I think that would be pretty easy to do. Now let's let the bikers go their way. All right. All right. All right, let's reset it. All right. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Woo! All right, so let's talk performance. So I got 0 to 60 in 5.1, as in the S5 I tested before. It was also 2022. 0 to 62 in 5.36. 1/8 mile in 8.65 at 82.91. And 40 to 80, 5.23. And that was, of course, with launch control. But this right here summarizes our performance portion. So there you have it. this summarizes our test drive for today. I hope you all had fun. I sure did. This is a really enjoyable car to drive. It's got excellent power, great acceleration. Too bad the bikers didn't let us have the full straightaway to do a better test, but oh well, it is what it is. It's very consistent with pretty much all the S5s that I've tested in the performance department. But let me know what you thought about this quick test drive format. This was not a full in-depth review like I usually do, just some quick action here and there, a nice fun ride. But make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.